If you're looking for the best dash cam in 2026 to protect yourself on the road, record accidents, or capture every moment of your drive, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams you can buy right now. From ultra-clear 4K recording to night vision, parking mode, and multi-channel coverage, we've got the best options lined up. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro Dash Cam. Taking the top spot is the ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro. This dash cam records in stunning 4K front and 2K rear resolution, powered by premium Sony Starvis 2 sensors for exceptional clarity. One standout feature is Wi-Fi 6 with up to 30 megabytes per second transfer speed, making video downloads much faster than most competitors. It also includes a free 128 gigabyte card, CPL filter, GPS, and 24-hour parking mode. Pros: best overall video quality, premium Starvis 2 sensors, fast Wi-Fi 6 transfer, free CPL filter included, excellent build quality. Cons: premium price, and parking mode setup requires extra wiring. If you want the best overall dash cam in 2026 with premium recording quality and fast performance, the ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro is the winner. Number 2. REDTIGER F17 3-channel dash cam. The REDTIGER F17 takes things further with triple channel recording, front, cabin, and rear. It uses Starvis 2 technology with HDR for improved image clarity, especially in low light. The interior camera has infrared night vision, making it ideal for rideshare drivers. It also includes a 64 gigabyte card and fast 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Pros: triple channel coverage, excellent low light quality, interior IR night vision, reliable brand, GPS tracking. Cons: smaller included storage and slightly higher price. A strong choice for drivers who want both road and cabin monitoring. Number 3. REDTIGER F7 NP dash cam. The REDTIGER F7 NP is one of the most popular front and rear dash cams thanks to its 4K front recording and Starvis 2 sensor for improved night performance. It offers GPS tracking, fast Wi-Fi downloads, wide-angle coverage, and 24-hour parking mode. Video quality is excellent, especially at night, making license plates easier to read. Pros: excellent 4K front recording, great night vision, reliable Starvis 2 sensor, GPS and Wi-Fi included, easy app connectivity. Cons: rear camera is lower resolution, and parking mode requires hardwire kit. A reliable and balanced dash cam for most drivers. Number 4. 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dash cam. This triple-channel dash cam offers front, rear, and interior recording with 4K front resolution and dual 2K secondary cameras. It includes dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS, WDR technology, and a 128 gigabyte memory card out of the box. The 170-degree wide-angle lens helps reduce blind spots. Pros: triple camera recording, sharp 4K front video, GPS built in, memory card included. Good value for money. Cons: brand reputation is less established, and app performance may vary. A great budget-friendly triple-channel option with strong features. Number 5. IIWEY N6 360-degree dash cam. The IIWEY N6 is a unique 4-channel dash cam designed for full 360-degree coverage area. It records front, rear, and interior views, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and people who want maximum security. Video quality is full HD across multiple cameras, and it includes infrared night vision for clear cabin recording at night. It also comes with Wi-Fi 6, GPS tracking, and a free 128 gigabyte card. Pros: full 360-degree coverage, excellent for Uber and taxi drivers, built-in GPS, infrared night vision, free 128 gigabyte card included. Cons: not true 4K recording and more complex installation. If you want complete vehicle coverage rather than ultra-high resolution, the IIWEY N6 is a strong choice. Those are our picks for the top 5 best dash cams in 2026. If you want the best overall, go with the ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro. If you need triple channel recording, the REDTIGER F17 is an excellent option. And if full 360-degree coverage matters most, the IIWEY N6 is worth considering. Check the links in the description for the latest prices. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews.